Greetings. In this video, we're doing yet another simple look, another look that you can pull off, go to a party with, you know, and still look glam. You don't really have to go all complicated and learn some new makeup technique or makeup procedure like you're performing a surgery to look glam. Okay, you can still look glam even with small eyes, even with hooded eyes, and even with 1 or 2 palettes. Okay, in this case I decided to use the Moira Fearless Heart palette and also Eloise the Queen palettes. I like this palette. Not the Eloise palette, yeah, it's pigmented. It was alright. It's regular schmegular, nothing that blew me out of the water. But of course, the Moira palette always blows me out of the water with the amount of pigment. This is an underrated brand. People don't talk enough about it, and I don't know why. Because the eyeshadows, all of their eyeshadows, I haven't found any that is not pigmented. All of them are pigmented. Super pigmented. You don't even need too much to make your mark, and that is the green that you see in there. You can see it's popping. Okay, even if I look straight at you, you can see the green. Even if I look down, even better. And for my lips, I used some old MAC OG lip products for my lips. If you are new here, welcome. I am so happy to have you. I am Beauty ETC, bringing you simple looks, different eyeshadow palettes. And if you have been here, thank you for hanging around. So if you'd like to see, I think this should be my intro. So if you'd like to see how this performs on the eye and how this performs on the eye, continue watching. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Toodles, and God bless you. So today I will be trying Juvia's Eye Prime. This is in shade 2. This is the only color that I could find. Protect my eyes with the L'Oreal Infallible. Alright, so for this look, I will be using the Juvia's Place. I'm trying this for the first time, and I will be sharing my thoughts on it. I use the Juvia's Place to prime my eyelids, and Infallible foundation powder to set my eyelids. And I will be trying the Moira line. Their eyeshadows are very, very pigmented. This heart, and I will also be using this Eloise palette. This came in a boxy charm. It's cosmetics, and this is the Queen palette. This is what it looks like. Hope it's true to color. That's what it looks like. Okay. We're going to see how pigmented it comes out, and this is how the Fearless Heart by Moira looks like. Okay, so this is the look we came up with. So it's purple, teal, and green. Just playing around with the colors, doing something super simple. So I'm going to be doing that on the second eye. Basically, let me just quickly tell you the colors that I'm going to be using. I first went into my transition, these 2 colors. So at the edge, you see the purple and that color are those 2 colors that I went into, you know, what you see on this side. Those are the 2 colors. And then I went into the Moira palette with this, the green right here. That's the green. And went on top of that with this teal from the Eloise palette. All right, so watch me as I do this. I'm going to be using the fluffy brush. This is a little denser, and this is more fluffier. I'm going to use the fluffier one first, and I'm going to go into Kingdom, okay, for my transition. All right, I already started, in case you're wondering. And like I always say, I cannot do my eyes like everybody else because I have smaller eyes and they're hooded, and if I want the colors that I'm placing to show, then I have to place the colors a little bit different from how everybody does it. Now I'm going into the purple. It's called Wriggle, and I am going to put that right underneath that transition color, and I'm going to kind of go up there so you can see the purple. Do you see that? So it's going in this angle like that. Okay, because if I go like this and I open my eyes, you will not see anything. It will be like I didn't do anything at all. This is a simple look, nothing too complicated. Hopefully one day I will be doing that with a simple one. Now I'm going into the Moira palette and I'm going into the shimmery green. It's called Lion Hearted. That's what the color looks like, and I'm going to place that on my eyelid, like highlighting all of my eye space. Don't worry, I'm placing the color first. I'm going to blow it out and I'm going to blend it soon enough. Okay, I'm just placing color and I'm overlapping into the purple. Now I'm going to go with my fluffy brush and I'm going to blend. Enjoy the blend. Simple look using two palettes. One morning into dancing again.